Hello everyone. So today we are going to be talking about climate zones and biomes. So in your Edmodo, find the post that says climate zones and biomes. We have the link for the reading. We have the assignment that you need to complete, and we have my email where you can send your completed assignment. So let's take a look at this. So major climate types are going to be based on temperature and precipitation. There are also going to be other things that affect the climate, so latitude or where it's located, north or south on the globe, oceans, mountain ranges, and then depending on the climate, there are going to be certain types of plants that can grow in an area, and then there are going to be animals and other living things that depend on those specific plants. So each climate is going to be associated with certain types of living things. So a major type of climate and its living things are going to make up a biome. So for example, we have the desert biome here in Arizona. So altitude and latitude. Altitude is going to have a very similar effect as latitude. So climates and biomes that are typically in higher latitudes might be found at higher altitudes. All right. So sometimes you will also see microclimates. So it's going to be where climate conditions are different in a small area than those surrounding it. So the microclimate is the climate of a small area. So for example, the microclimate of a valley may be cool relative to its surroundings because cold air sinks. So that is an example of a microclimate. Ground surface may be hotter or colder than the air a few feet above it because rocks and soil gain and lose heat very easily. All right, and then we have different sides of a mountain that have different microclimates. So one of these effects is called the rain shadow effect, where if a mountain is close to a body of water, one side is going to be basically more rain. It's going to have more rain, and then the other side is going to be very similar to a desert climate with little to no rain. So hopefully that makes sense. Make sure you complete your assignment and turn it in to me.